Hello everyone, today we are going to start cuboid and cube of the chapter mensuration. In my earlier classes, I have covered up rectangle, square, rhombus, trapezium, triangles and circle. If you have missed out those, I will put those things in the end screen of this video. You can go through those things. So before I start, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Alpha Basics, where you will get solution for maths as well as Java. So let us begin. So today we will cover cuboid and cube. First of all, we will see what is cuboid. See, I have drawn a figure. Okay, this is a figure of a cuboid where this is the length, this is the breadth, this is breadth and this is the height. So this is height, this is also a height, this is also a height, this is also a height. So this is the breadth, this is also breadth, this is the length. Okay, similarly this one is also length, this one is also length, this is breadth and this is breadth. So I will give you a very practical example. You are sitting in a room, that is an example of cuboid. Okay, you think of your room where you are sitting, all the in that room, how many walls you have? Your 4 walls, and one is your the floor and another is your top. So these are the 6 faces. So a cuboid has a 6 rectangular faces, okay. As your room in which you are sitting, it may be a square room, then that is an example of cube, and most probably it's a rectangular room. So that is a example of cuboid. See, the definition says what is the cuboid? It's a solid in the shape of a box. So what is the surface area? How to calculate the surface area of the cuboid? So surface area, this is also called total surface area. Okay, surface area, or questions may come, find out the total surface area, it remains the same. That means you have to calculate the area of 4 walls, area of floor, area of top. So that is the total surface area or surface area. So it is given by 2 into put a bracket, length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height, and definitely area, that is why square units. Okay, what is lateral surface area? Lateral surface area means you have to find the area of the 4 walls, exclude floor and top. Okay, so that is why I have written lateral surface area means area of 4 walls. So it is given by 2, put a bracket, length plus breadth into height in square units. Clear? So volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height in cubic units, and length of a diagonal is equal to square root of L square plus B square plus H square units. Okay. Now we will study cube. Now what is a cube? A solid bounded by 6 squares. 6 squares, a solid bounded by 6 squares, it is a cube. Now it is a special cuboid where L is equal to B equal to H. That means as it is a summation of 6 squares, so squares means your sides are equal. So length is equal to breadth is equal to height is equal to, suppose A we have considered. Okay. So this is a cube where your length, breadth and height all are equal. Okay. So your surface area or total surface area will be what? Will be, you have to add up the 6 surfaces. That means 4 walls and floor and top, as in the case of cuboid. So your one face will be what? A into A square. So sum it up, 6 faces. So 6A square, square units, as it is area. lateral surface area, as I have told, it is the area of 4 walls. So, one wall is A into A square. So, 4 walls, 4A square. Volume will be length into breadth into height. So, here L is equal to B equal to H is equal to A. So, will be A cube, cubic units, and length of diagonal is equal to root 3 A units. Okay. So, we will just now solve problem. It will be much clear to you. Okay. Now, the question is, the volume of a rectangular solid is 3600 centimeter cube. If it is 20 centimeter long and 9 centimeter high, find its width. Okay. We need to find out the width. So, let width be, suppose consider B centimeter. Now, V volume is given how much? 3600 centimeter cube. Now, we know, what we know is that volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height. Now, volume is given how much? 3600, where length is given what? How much? Length is equal to 20 centimeter and height is given 9 centimeter. So your length is 20, breadth is your B we have considered, height is how much? 9. So, breadth will be equal to 3600 by 20 into 9. So, 1 0, this 0 gets cancelled. So, 9 4s are, okay, and 1 0, and this it will come 20. So, B is equal to 20 centimeter. So, this is your answer. Your width is equal to 20 centimeter. So, you can write your width, which is equal to B, is equal to 20 centimeter. Clear? The next question is, if the total surface area of a cube is 384 centimeter square, find its volume. Now, total surface area is given. So, what we know is that we know total surface area of a cube is equal to what? 6a square. So, total surface area is given how much? 384 is equal to 6a square, or a square is equal to 384 by 6. So, cancel it, 6 6 are 36 and 2, 6 4 are 24. So, a square is equal to 64. So, a is equal to 8, which will be square root of 64. So, a is your 8 centimeter. Okay. So, we need to find out the volume. So, volume is equal to what? A cube. So, your A is how much? 8. So, 8 into 8 into 8 centimeter cube. So, 64, 8 into 8, 64, 64 into 8, 500 12. So volume will be 512 centimeter cube. Now next question 3. This is a very interesting question. 3 cubes of each of side 6 centimeter are joined side by side to form a cuboid. Find the volume and the surface area of the cuboid. Now 6 cubes are attached side by side of side 6 centimeter. Okay. Now we need to find the volume and surface area of the cuboid. So first we will write down what will be the length of the cuboid. Length of the cuboid will be how much? Will be your 6 plus 6 plus 6, okay, as 3 cubes are attached together. So each side is 6, length 6 centimeters. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, how much? 18 centimeter. This is the length of the cuboid. And your breadth will be what? Breadth will be same 6 centimeter, and height of the cuboid will be also same 6 centimeter. Okay, because 3 cubes are attached, so length will be the addition, your breadth and height will remain same 6 centimeter. So what will be the volume? Volume will be your length into breadth into height, which is equal to, length is what? 18 into 6 into 6, which is equal to your 648 centimeter cube. Surface area. So surface area is equal to 2 into length into breadth plus length into height plus breadth into height. This is the formula. So your 2 into length into breadth, so 18 into 6 plus your 18 into 6 plus 6 into 6. So just simplify it to 18 into 6, 108 plus 108 plus 36. So is equal to 2 into your, it will come to 252. So multiply it, 504 centimeter square. So this is your answer. Now see this question. The floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000, find the height of the wall. Okay. Now cost of painting the 4 walls is given. Okay. So we need to find the height. So your cost of painting the 4 walls is equal to what? 10 rupees per meter square. Okay. Total cost is your 15,000. So 15,000. So we can find out the area of the wall will be equal to 15,000 by 10, because cost of painting the 4 walls is what is the rate, is your 10 meter per square, 10 meter per square, and total amount is 15,000. So area of the wall will be 15,000 by 10. So will be what? 1500 meter square. Let height be h meter. Clear? So area of your 4 walls is actually what? It is your 2 into length plus breadth into height. So area of 4 walls we have calculated 1500, and this 2 into length plus breadth, this 2 into length plus breadth is what? Perimeter. 2 into length plus breadth is perimeter into height. So perimeter is given how much? Perimeter is 250. So 250 into height, or your height will be equal to 1500 by 250. So this 0 gets cancelled. So 25, 6 are 150. So h is equal to 6, and what will be the unit? Your meter, 6 meter. So this is the answer. Clear? Now the next question is, a cuboid has a length, breadth and diagonal as 4 meter, 3 meter and 13 meter respectively. Find its volume. So here length and breadth and diagonal is given. Okay, so length is 4 meter, breadth is 3 meter, and diagonal is given how much? 13 meter. So we need to find out what? Volume is equal to how much. So for finding out volume, we must calculate height. Okay, diagonal is of a cuboid is equal to square root of L square plus B square plus H square. This is the formula. Clear? So diagonal is given how much? 13 is equal to square root of L is given 4. So 4 square plus 3 square plus H square. So squaring both sides, squaring both sides. So it will be 13 square will be 169, and as you are squaring this side, so the square root will be cancelled. So 4 square is 16 plus 9 plus H square. So your H square will be 169 minus 25, which is equal to 144. So H will be square root of 144, that means how much? 12. So height is 12 meter. So we need to find out volume. So volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So length is 4, breadth is 3, and height is how much? 12. So it is 12 into 12, 144 meter cube. So this is your answer. So volume is 144 meter cube. Okay. Okay, the question says a solid piece of metal cuboidal in shape with dimensions 24 centimeter, 18 centimeter and 4 centimeter is recast into a cube. Calculate the lateral surface area of the cube. So it means your cuboid, same cuboid is transferred into cube. Okay. So that means volume of cuboid is equal to volume of cube. Clear? So volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So will be 24 into 18 into 4, and volume of cube is what? A cube. Clear? So your A will be your cube root of 24 into 18 into 4. So 24 you can write down 6 into 4, 18 6 into 3, and 4 you can write 2 into 2. Again you break down this 6, 2 into 3 into 4 is your 2 into 2, 6 is 2 into 3, and 3 and this 2 into 2. So see, first this 3 and this 3. So 1 3 will come outside. Clear? Now this 2 and this 2. So 1 2. Now this 2 and this 2. So how much? 4 into 3? 12. So your A is equal to 12 centimeter. It has come. Okay. So you need to find the lateral surface area of the cube. So your lateral surface area of cube is equal to how much? Is your area of 4 walls. So that's it. That is 4A square. So 4 into A is how much? 12. So 12 into 12. So which is equal to 4 into 12, 144. And then you multiply 576 your centimeter square. So this is your answer. That's all for today. Hope you have understood. If you have missed out my earlier classes of mensuration, I'll put the thing in the end screen of this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Alpha Basics. Thank you.